Elementary students may be eligible for COVID vaccines by Halloween. That's according to a former FDA commissioner. CBS 17's Maggie Newland spoke with one of the researchers running Duke's vaccine trial, as well as parents awaiting those shots. She is live getting answers about the trial and the timeline. Maggie.
Angela, I spoke with one mother who says she fears now that kids are back in school, it's only a matter of time before they're exposed to COVID. For her, the vaccines can't come soon enough.
It's been terrifying.
Every day her kids go to school. Christina Jones worries they'll come home with COVID. She can't wait for a vaccine.
They will be first in line.
You could potentially have a vaccine available to children aged 5 to 11 by Halloween if everything goes well.
Duke is part of the clinical trial studying the Pfizer vaccine in children.
That first cohort is done. They got dose 1, they got dose 2.
Earlier this summer, the FDA asked vaccine makers to expand the trials to include more children. Dr. Michael Smith says data from the second group isn't ready.
We are going to have it by October. There's not enough time to get that second big cohort of kids in.
But he says the FDA asked to expand the trials before Delta really started surging in kids.
I think in the context of COVID being back and causing significant disease, including hospitalization and death, unfortunately, for some children, I do think that pendulum has shifted.
I asked whether any cases of heart inflammation appeared in the children's trials.
Have you seen anyone with chest pain or any signs of myocarditis in the trial?
Not in the trials, not at our site so far. And, for something like that, if that were seen in subjects, Pfizer does have a responsibility to let people know, let the other investigators know. So we've not seen that here at Duke, and I've not heard of that at any other sites.
He says he's looking forward to getting his own children vaccinated.
When there's an approval, I'm going to give it to her. I'm not going to wait for additional data. So I do think it's a safe product.
Christina says she'll feel much more comfortable sending her kids to school.
Vaccination is just that next step to ensure that they're going to be safe.
The dose being tested in 5 to 11-year-olds is a third of the dose that people 12 and older are getting. Now, while we may see shots authorized for children within the next couple of months, until then, Dr. Smith says your best tool for protecting your kids, masks. Live in Raleigh, Maggie Newland, CBS 17 News.